My dear students, today we shall study about the median of the data and the mode of the given. Now let us see first what is median of the data. It is that value of the given number of observations which divides it into exactly two parts. Means if some numbers are given, we have to find the value of that number which divides the total number given numbers in exactly two equal parts. And for this we have to arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. The median of the ungrouped data is also calculated. So here let's see the example. Find the median of the given data. Here if you will see how many numbers are there are total 9 numbers. So first we will write that number in the ascending order, and that you know very well how to write the numbers in ascending order. And if you will count these numbers are total 9. So here we will write total number of observations are 9. Now 9 is an odd number or even number? Yes, it is an odd number. So median is the middlemost observation, because you are aware median is that value which divides it into exactly two equal parts. That is, if you will see, 35 is the middlemost observation of all. As the number is odd, we can clearly take the fifth observation as the middlemost observation. So here for this group our median is 35. It is very easy, as it divides the given number of observation into exactly two parts. Now let's see the median for the data when the given number of observations, as you are observing here, the total number of observations are 8. Means it is not an odd number, it is an even number. So before starting, again we have to arrange the given data in the ascending order. Now here 8 is not the odd number, it is an even number. And we are aware median is the middlemost observations. So we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, and then here we will find out, as our total number of observation is even, we will get here two numbers as the middlemost observation. Now here to find the median, we have to take the mean of these two observations, that is 33 plus 34 upon 2. That gives you 34. Now therefore here the median is 34. As it divides the given number of observations into exactly two parts. This is how to calculate the median when the given number of observation is even. We have to take the middlemost two observations and then add that two observations, divide it by 2, we will get the median. Now from the above two examples of median, in generalized form we can write median as: first, arrange the given observations in ascending form. Then if the total number of observation is odd, let us say here n, means if n is odd, total number of observation equals to n, and n is odd, then in that case we have to take the median is the middlemost number, that is value of n plus 1th upon 2 observation. Now in the second case, we have to again arrange the given number of observations in ascending form, and then if the total number of observations is even, let's take again n, that is if the total number of observations are n, then median is equal to mean of n by 2th and the n by 2th plus 1th observation. So here the value of n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2 gives you, as we have seen in the second example. Now let's solve some example by using the formula for the median. Here we have to find out the median of the following data. So arrange the numbers in ascending order. If you will find here the total number of observation is even, that is 10. So we will get here two middlemost observation, that is 26th and 28. How? Let's see. First you have to write the formula. Now see here in the note, n is even means we have to first calculate according to the formula n by 2th observation. N is 10, that is 10 upon 2 is equal to 5th observation. So in the arranged data, if you will see, the 5th observation is 26 and n by 2 plus 1 means 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 means 6th observation is 28. So the median is 26 plus 28 upon 2, that equals to 54 upon 2 is equal to 27. This is how to calculate the median by using formula. But it is for the total number of observation when the observation is even. Now mode of the data. It is that value of observation which occurs most frequently. An observation with maximum frequency is also called the mode. Follow an algorithm for calculating the mode. First, again as in case of median, here also we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, and then by mere observation we will find out the value which occurs maximum number of times, and the value which occurs most frequently is called. So here is the example. We have to find out the mode of the given data. Now this type of numbers we can solve for the mode by two different methods. You can use any one of these. First method, arrange the data in ascending order. If you will arrange this data in ascending order, you will find maximum times the number occurred, which is blue in color, is 120. So here 120 occurs maximum number of times, so mode is equal to 120. It is very easy. And in the second method, you have to arrange data in frequency table and using telemark. So here again, if you will see the figure and table properly, you will get the maximum frequency of the number, that the value is 120. So 120 occurs most frequently, that is 4 times, and therefore the mode is 120. So my dear students, either you use first method or second method, your answer is same. No problem. Whichever method you find easy, you can go with that method. Now it's time for an assignment. And I hope my dear students, you have clear idea about the median and mode. And now it's your time that you have to try it honestly and just understand how you understand the median and mode properly. And with this, we have finished the lesson statistic, and we will meet again in the next section with the new interesting topic. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.